What's going on YouTube? It's the PsP Kid here. Today's episode we're going to tell you how to install some cool little gadgets and gizmos. Got actually a new chip for my motherboard and a new screen for my PSP because my other screen is cracked. Now, I'll show you guys real quick actually. My PSP actually I already opened a little bit. I'm pretty much unscrewed everything out of it. I took this off. This is actually what's going to be holding your screen in. I'll show you guys real quick. I'm also going to do another video on how to take the PSP apart fully and put it back together again, but this is just a quick video. Here's the part we're going to be replacing. This piece actually on over here broke on a PSP. This is what holds the screen in. I took that out. I'm going to do a video on how to place that back. This video's more or less going to show you how to install this, but let's pretty much take a look. Now what you're going to want to do is, if you guys, this is a PSP Fat, by the way. I might be doing PSP Slim videos depending on if I can get a chance to get one. At the moment, I will just be doing the Fats for now. So, what you're gonna want to do is when you want to take this, open and everything. There's two screws here and here. You have to rip that sticker off. So, whatever though. Let me put that back in real quick for you guys. Actually, no, I'll just take it off now. And then you're gonna want to unscrew all the screws all around your PSP, here, here, and whatnot. You're gonna want to slowly take it out. Now, I already went ahead and took off the screen and everything like that, but you guys eventually going to want to do that. Now, right now, I just want to replace this chip right here. Now, this chip right here actually isn't that much money. It's like, probably like 10 bucks at that. I think it cost me like $8, including shipping at Amazon.com. Just type in PSP motherboard 1000, and you'll definitely see it pop up. Here's a new piece right here. See a new piece right here. If you guys, I'm sorry, show if you guys can see that real quick. That's the switch that actually broke them out of the switchboard. So we're just gonna switch them out right now. Make sure you have the right motherboard, because if you do not, you are kinda screwed. PSP, some parts are universal, and some parts are not. So now you're gonna want to get screwdrivers kind of like this. This is like you could buy at any dollar store for like literally $1.8. So you're gonna want to pick that. I actually bought that and I have a couple extra screws lying around the house, so I'm just gonna take that part. Also, this part in the back you're gonna want to pop out. Yeah, this motherboard's shot. You gotta be really careful with the plastic pieces because they're extremely fragile. As you can see right around here, the ridges, how they just like got all dented out. Sorry about that. Here you guys go. I'm not sure if you guys get a good angle on that. The ridge is like all fucking shutted out. There's actually a big crack on it. Sorry about the camera quality, guys. My camera kind of blows. And this piece over here got dented and the actual switchboard popped out. So I'm going to be replacing that right now. Get your good one right here. And it's going to want to plop in. Also, whenever you change this piece, you're going to have to take off the screen and the actual holder for the screen. Just because it's this wire right over here. This wire over here, see it? It goes in at an angle for you guys to have the PSP 1000s like me. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to have to take that apart. Take this apart. Because this, most of the time, will plop out and actually come off and you lose your screen. So, and your PSP will not turn on. You'll think it's broken. You'll think it's a motherboard. You think it's this wire over here. It's not. It's just this wire plopping out. So if you guys are changing this exact piece, just be careful of that. You're going to want to take this out as well. And also, you're going to want to see my video on how to take out the screen and replace the screen because your screen can crack. These screens are very delicate and crack really easily because they're LCD. Now you just want to bend it really slowly. You got to do it extremely gentle. You got to make sure it gets in because once all this shit's in, it's going to be a pain in the ass to get out. You're going to want to lift this up. That little flap, very lightly though, because that flap, like I said before, is very easy to break. You're gonna want to push this thing in. Once it's in like this, just want to give a nice little pull. It came out. See, make sure everything's in nice and tight. And then you want to close your flap down. It'll just seal the deal. There we go. All right. Now, just want to push this in. Make sure it connects or everything goes to where it has to go. line this piece up especially over here. That'll be a switch. Everything seems to be in. I'm just putting the motherboard in for now. I'm gonna make another video changing the motherboard up too. And you're gonna want to get this in. Lift this up. And this is basically really easy. This actually whole piece plops out too. So I can just basically push it in. For you guys to have the PsP 1000, this is pretty much exactly what you're gonna have to go through when you want to change the control switchboard. And it's in. Now you want to leave that there. That's one of the holes we got put the screw in, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but it's pretty much in. For now, we're just gonna close it up for now, just to show you guys that switchboard is kicking ass. This is open because I took this piece out. This is the piece actually on top has a switch. Let's turn this puppy on. Battery's probably dead, isn't it? Yeah. Or not. As you can see, my screen actually has a awesome crack on it because I'm mad good. But the switchboard is working perfectly. This is, by the way, a Japanese PSP, so yeah. But yeah, tune into my next video in which I'm going to change the actual screen on the PSP. Start it off right now. Awesome.